All right, Jim, I think I've got this thing going for you here. So, got the adapter box with the harness, and then this auxiliary connector here, which is going up to speed. So I've got a speed input going into that at the moment here, and then there's something else that I did. What else did I do? Then I got a boost solenoid wired in here, so you can plug your solenoid in there. Here's your CAN wires. Once I know the length, I'll wrap that up in some braided stuff and put a connector. God! And then, yeah, so anyway, so if we go over here to the screen, let's see, I'm going to mess with your map sensor. Upper left corner, you can see that, you see that's working. The ignition table's moving around when I do that. Let's see here, what else do we want to do? Where is coolant temperature? Get that guy moving. Intake air temp. Throttle position. Actually, let me turn that down. I was putting the ECU in limp mode earlier, not realizing it. I'm doing something. There's throttle. Then if we go to our ignition test, go to ignition test. Anyway, so those all work. It's hard to see the LED flicker, but I've tested those, just the fuel pump, all that stuff. So let's go to max ECU. Throw some RPM at this thing. 9,000 RPM. See fuel pumps on, boost solenoids on, wastegate duty cycle. It's pulsing right now. Or the solenoid's pulsing. Tack's going. All kinds of relay activity here. Injectors are firing like a sumbitch. Alright. Slowing back down. Trying to think if there's anything else to show. Yeah, speed. So on my signal generator here, you see your left rear wheel speed going up and down. So yeah, I believe that might be about it. Alright, so there it is. So you get 3 connectors coming out. These connectors are upside down. So when you put this on the bike, you know, this is going to face the front. These connectors, again, are all rotated upside down. Your normal ones, you'll pop the ECU out, 34-pin connector, 26-pin connector, and then this third one is the auxiliary harness. Boost control solenoid is going to plug in there. This will go inline on your speed sensor connector to get your speedo in. And then there's also 12-volt, 5-volt sensor ground in a number of pins here. Your EGT is there, so you can put a pin on and insert it, and then that should just work. And then the spare auxiliary out, I can't remember if it's 2 or 3. It's also here, so you can see there's a few things going in there, which isn't being used at the moment.